Understanding gerunds can really enhance your writing and speaking skills. Let's dive into the 6 types of gerunds, each serving a unique role in a sentence. First up, we have the subject, gerund. This is where the gerund acts as the main focus of the sentence. For example, swimming is my favorite way to relax. Here, swimming is the subject, and it tells us what the sentence is about. It's a simple yet effective way to express your interests. Next, we have the subject complement. This type follows a linking verb and renames or describes the subject. Take the sentence, "My favorite activity is hiking." In this case, hiking complements the subject activity, giving us more information about what my favorite activity actually is. Now, let's talk about the direct object, gerund. This is where the gerund receives the action of the verb directly. For instance, she enjoys painting. Here, painting is what she enjoys, making it the direct object of the verb enjoys. It's a straightforward way to express what someone likes to do. Moving on to the indirect object gerund, this one is a bit more nuanced. It typically appears after verbs that express giving or showing. For example, I gave dancing a shot. In this sentence, dancing is the indirect object because it's receiving the action of gav. It shows that I attempted to engage in the activity of dancing. Next, we have the object complement, gerund. This type modifies or complements the direct object, describing what the action results in. Consider the sentence, I consider running my best stress reliever. Here, running complements the direct object, I, explaining what I consider to be my best way to relieve stress. Finally, we arrive at the object of a preposition gerund. This gerund follows a preposition and acts as its object. For example, I'm interested in learning new languages. In this case, learning follows the preposition in, showing what I'm interested in. It's a great way to express curiosity or desire about an activity. To wrap it up, gerunds are incredibly versatile and can add depth to your sentences. Whether you're using them as subjects, complements, direct or indirect objects, or even as objects of prepositions, they help convey your thoughts more clearly. So, the next time you're writing or speaking, think about how you can incorporate gerunds to enhance your message.